Guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? So today's video is another box braid tutorial. As you can see, my hair is a different color. So I got this hair from Amazon. Can't remember the name of the company, but I'll list the link down in the description box below. They had so many different styles, different ombre styles, different colors. This one is of course the best one that I would go for because I love purple. Purple is my favorite color. I like the length of it, it's pretty long. And actually one of my cousins had something similar to this. I think hers was purple. It started from black to purple and the ends were pink, light pink. But I thought they were super cute, so I decided to actually go ahead and try it. So shout out to her for the inspiration. I see you, girl. So the footage of me showing you guys how I parted my hair got lost. So I'm just gonna kind of explain to you guys how I parted my hair. I did two sections, of course, front half and then the back half of my head. And I parted it from ear to ear. So the back section, I did 6 boxes. I started from straight across and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. I'm sure you guys will get the picture anyways. And then after that, of course, I put them into the little boxes as you can see here. I repeated the same step in the front half of my head. They were basically all over the place. And then I would part, create the box, and put them in the rubber bands. That process actually took me like an hour, about an hour and a half. I did stop a few times. I don't want y'all to sit there and say this girl talked too much and just basically click off my video, so I'm gonna stop babbling. But before I do, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. It is free $99. It doesn't take you guys that long. Also, make sure you guys click on the notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my videos. So let's get right into it. guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Also, make sure you guys share this video. You can share it with your aunt, your mother, your cousins, your friends. I don't care who, just send it to somebody. Share my video, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys stay blessed, and I will see you guys in my next one.